Hi, in today's video I want you to show the app Klaudia. This is a local, fully offline, private AI assistant that you can download on my website. You can see on the left. I will leave a link in the description as well as the link to the source code if you want to know exactly what's going behind the scenes. And then you have a local AI running on your machine. No internet required, nobody knows what you are talking to the AI, absolutely private, and the best of all, it's totally free. Why I did it? I wanted it. I wanted to have it. That's the reason. Point. So with further talking, let's just hop in. You can download it here. I will skip this process. It's a 2.4 gigabyte large file or an archive in our case, and I already downloaded this. I will extract it. This will take a minute, maybe only 30 seconds. I will cut to the end. Okay, we are close to be done with extracting. After this, there will be 3 files in the Klaudia folder. Just click on the setup. It will ask you to run this as administrator. This is required. It will register 3 Windows services. Those are needed for the application to run. Yeah, let's install it and create a desktop shortcut for convenience. The install process again will take maybe 2 minutes depending on your machine. There are roughly 6 GB of data that needs to be copied. Okay, now installation is done. Let's launch the Klaudia app. Just click finish, and here we are. Let's move this out of the way. Hey, how are you?
I'm good, thanks for asking. Necking my mood with caffeine right now. How about you?
I'm fine, just testing a little bit. Should I change your brain?
Feel free, but I think your testing went well. I'm still me. Might as well keep it that way.
Okay, but I will swap the model. This is the smallest model running, but it's working. It works on a quite simple machine as well. So, but if you have a lot or a little bit more power, just swap the brain. I can show you how to do this. For example, I have a little bit larger model prepared. You can download any model you want. Let me check where I have to put it, and I have the install folder opened here, and here is the brain, and here are the models. I will paste this model in. This also needs elevated privilege because I'm on my OS drive. This will take some seconds. Again, to copy. When the file is copied, we can then use the settings. For example, you have 2 setting tabs. One is for the avatar, so you can change appearance and how the avatar is behaving. And then there is the settings. Here you can define input output, can change the voice, can also change the response. This is if you get really long responses from the AI, those won't be spoken out loud if you have this limit exceeded, but you can increase it, no problem. Yeah, let's talk about the brain. We use this one. It's normally set to this, but when you change something, when I copy, this is a little bug. To detect this, it also changes this. I have to look into this. There are 2 known bugs actually in this application, and one is that it sets this here on a wrong value, but this value does not get applied. It's just because I had a brain fuck here. So we are going to switch the model. This also will require elevated privilege because we are updating a Windows service. Let's give the permission. This will take some seconds depending on your GPU. I have a RTX 360 with 12 GB of VRAM, so this is totally fine for me. Let's clear the history, confirm this, save
Conversation cleared.
And now we are talking to a different model. Hi, can you describe yourself a little bit for me?
Sure, I'm Klaudia, a former competitive gamer who grew up in a tough neighborhood. I've got a bit of a rough exterior, but I'm not afraid to admit when I'm wrong, even with a smirk. I drink black coffee and have a collection of past relationships that could scare off most people. I love dark RPGs and morally gray protagonists, and I enjoy toying with men, but I'm not one for hand-holding or mushy moments.
She really said this. Okay, you also can open the chat to the right. This is your history, and close it here. So yeah, that's basically the application. Not much. You can also write just something. It works the same as talking. Yeah, let's close this, and also let's remove the application. To do this, let's go to the apps and remove it. I have it sitting here. I don't know why this is. Those are two entries, even both disappear then. So yes, I am allowed to remove this. Yes, I want to remove it completely. And here is the second bug. Even uninstall works. It does not remove your roaming data. What is this? I will show you. Let's go real quick here. And to really clean up, and I will fix this in a newer release, you then have to just go here, find the Klaudia folder, delete it, then it's gone, and now nothing is left. But this will be fixed soon. So yeah, that's all about it. Go to my website, link in the description, download it, feel free to ask, look into the code if you're interested. You can also run it with Docker. The GitLab will show you a lot of developer specific stuff that would be interested, or you something can learn from it. I don't know. Yeah, thanks for watching, and this video is long enough. Bye.